What's up, y'all? This is Nick here, and this video is basically going to be on this DIY solar water heater that I'm creating. I've seen a few videos online, and I want to create my own. I'm just testing out some stuff to see how it works. I could have waited until I got back from Mexico. Like, today is actually like one of my last days in Mexico, and I just couldn't wait a week to build this. I was ready to build. So basically, this is the video. So it's gonna be like a 2 or 3 part video of the process, what I'm doing. Fair warning in advance, welding is not good. I'm learning, so like the table you're going to see that I'm welding on, the welds look crappy, but hey, it does its job. I'm not like breaking my back trying to pick up stuff and weld on the ground and other stuff like that. So it's doing its job, but like I said, it's a learning process. So here's the video. All right, so basically we're just leaving Home Depot. We got some copper pipes. Okay, sorry about the echo, but I don't want to open up the garage here. But basically, this is going to be our frame. This is going to be the back part of it. This is going to be the actual part where the water goes through and heats up. And then here's our elbows. So I'm willing to do a mini one because this, like I said, it's just a test. Okay, so basically we got 3 rods, copper piping, tubing, call it whatever you want. But I think the real word is copper tubing. And I believe this is a 1/2 inch. Yes, a 1/2 inch. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I was thinking about, because I'm only doing something small, I was gonna do 6 inches, but I'm gonna do like, I think we're just gonna do 12 inches. So 1 foot. And then it's gonna be 6 of them for 1 foot. All right, so this is the plan. So this is how it's gonna look when it's all together. And basically what we're gonna have is, the copper pipe's going to cross. This will be the 12, 12, 12, all the 12 inches. So I might just do 1 inch here, 1 inch here, 1 inch here, all that. And then, so that's just the diagram how it's going to look. So sunlight does it. Down here, this is kind of, I know it looks really ugly, but this is the angle iron on the outside. Fair warning, my welding is ugly right now, so don't judge me on it. It's not structural or anything, it's just testing. And basically this is gonna be the flat pieces of bar that I just pointed at. And that's what we're gonna do for the backing. So it's kind of like, it's not a conductor, like a thermal conductor basically with the black paint. So the goal is cut this down, weld all this together, paint it black. I'm gonna do this part tonight. It's already like 8:30 here, so I don't know if I really should be cutting since, you know. I've never used a pipe cutter before, so it's actually pretty new to me right now. It's pretty cool. Okay, so next basically we need to slot these as 1 inch each. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to take the tape measure and then slot them down. I don't know why they're so snagged like that. Just cut it straight. All right, so basically, this is the final piece right here. So basically, once the box is made and we have the black part at the back right here, we're gonna take this right here and we're gonna slide on openings, and then we're gonna put like little piping on the end, piping on that end, and then we hook it up to whatever we want, like a water hose, and then we pressurize part of the water hose, or we just do like a gravity pump. So basically, this is the box right here. We can put like a pump like up here, or like a reservoir, and then on this side, or wherever the water ends at, we can put like or letting water in the water hose off, and that will basically do the pressure from the water in the reservoir being higher than this will basically means I won't even need an electric pump to get the water to go through.